Sarah?
Oh, now you care about me.
Now I care about you. Do you have anything exciting to share on the camera?
Well, there'll be a third baby in the bathtub.
Right over
Hopefully
there. There'll be one sitting right up in front. Oh, Squirmy. Molly, Molly, what does the monkey say? What's the monkey say? Mo, you want to go see some more monkeys? Do you want to go see some more monkeys? Good walking, pretty girl. Go see Grandma? You gonna go see Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Bo. Hi, buddy. Hi. What does your t-shirt say, Bodie? Big brother.
Screaming. Woo, yeah. I know you love it. I love it too. I scream, you scream, everybody screaming. Oh boy, everybody screaming. I hear everybody in Oakland Market, even that baby screaming. I scream. Somebody doing a massage. Okay, they're happy anyway. If you're happy and you do it, say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anybody have a birthday this week? This week? No, next month. Next month? That's good, that's close. This week, your birthday?
No. What did he have to say? Does he live in LA? When he's not freaking out in South Africa or wherever?
I don't know. I haven't heard about it.
Molly, can you cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo? Cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Uh-oh. What's the uh-oh? Did you go deuce her? Was that poo-poo? Still doing it, aren't you? Now you're done, huh? Does that feel good? Yeah, yeah! I'm a little pumpkin. Can you dance, Molly? A little pumpkin on my couch. A little pumpkin sitting in my couch. Woo! Here, wanna see? Who's that? That's Mama. That's Molly. Molly. You look awful pretty. Can you go dance for the camera? Can you dance? Little dancey dancey. Let's see you shake your moves. What do you got? No. No? What do you want to do instead? Molly, where's your ball? Can you bring a ball in here? Yeah. Where is it? Where's your ball? There. There's your ball. Fun. Okay, can you go throw the ball? You throw it down there? Throw it to Daddy. Good job. Good job. You can get it. Go around to the other side. Good throw, Molly. Can you kick? Play soccer? Oh, that's a handball. Oh, football. You're gonna be a center. Huh. A center? Okay. Who's that little girl? Can you dance for the little girl? Can you dance a little? Let's see some dance moves. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Uh-oh, what's the matter? That's really funny. What? You want to get up and read a book? Oh, up. Well, there we are. What kind of book do you want to read now? Mom. Yeah, there you are. What? Okay. Did you tell those squirrels what's going on? Uh-oh, lots of squirrels out there, huh? What do those squirrels say? What do? Do they just crawl around? They don't really have anything that they say. I'm like, what do the birdies say, Molly? Tweet, tweet. And what about, Molly, what do the kitty cats say? Meow. Duh. And what does the doggy say? Hi. Sweep up. Can you clean up the mess you made?
Out there. Sweep, 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 sweep. Look, there's a big pile of dust. Sweep that up. Good, Molly, good. Sweep, sweep, sweep.